Hey students, a very warm welcome on Ada 24/7 a government job in your pocket या ये कहें सरकारी नौकरियों का अड्डा. As you all now guys know that there's a 21 days lockdown and there are many network issues also comes in the many sections, so I prefer that your class is not going to be hampered, so I provide you the recorded sessions on the YT sessions as well. As the network comes through, we are coming again back on the platform that are for the live sessions in live interaction with each other. So if you are having any query in my sessions, so do comment in the last at the ending of the comment video. At the ending of the video you can comment your queries. I will reply there, or if it is required then I get those questions in my coming sessions. Okay, fine. So now the talk is that 21 days lockdown, are you ma'am sporting? Yes, of course, me and my complete entire team at 24/7 is sporting, and we can understand that you also students are facing economical crisis also. For that, Ada 24/7 decided you today we are going to go through with the coding decoding question. Just hold down so I can hide myself. You can see the complete entire screen over here. We are going through with the coding decoding session, but now for the 21 days coming on back that Ada 24/7 is supporting the complete Bharat Bandh. So the lockdown we are sporting, so Ada 24/7 provide you a 99 rupees all a study material. That means if you are preparing for SSC, you are preparing for defense, you are preparing for bank, you are preparing for either on insurance or whatever the exam you are preparing for, just do visit on our store. I can write the address of our store here. That is a store dot ada247.com. Just visit on this and you will receive the details over there. तैयारी होगी पूरी अब घर बैठे ही. तो आपके पास आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? यू रिक्वायर्स अ बुक्स मटेरियल, यू रिक्वायर्स पीडीएफ्स, यू रिक्वायर ई बुक्स, यू रिक्वायर टेस्ट सीरीज, यू रिक्वायर ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेस, you require video classes, whatever the requirement you are having for preparing any of the government examination, Ada 24/7 is having all for you. Just visit on our store.ada247.com, and by visiting that all the products are you can see that on 99 rupees. But if you apply a code beat corona, by applying the code beat corona, you will receive a max discount also. So do not forget to apply this code beat corona, and I prefer do visit on our store.ada247 and boost your preparation. This is a precious time for your preparation, as you all are sitting at your hometowns, as you are sitting on a room. So start preparing. This time will definitely provide you some good results, because if you are sitting alone, that means a boredom or a tidiness hampers you. But if you are preparing for your exams, whenever the day spends, you never know how can you can face that 21 days are going to be so smoothly. And after that complete core hardship of the practice sessions, after 21 days you will feel a drastically change in your concepts and your questions attempting timings. It is a really drastically very good. So coming on the topic, today's first topic is that first question is on your screen. Just observe these sequences and you have to answer by observing this. Here is the answer. You have to answer me first. That is what is the code for? What may be the possible code? It is asking what may be the possible code for people finding place. People finding place, we can say that we are having a people here, we are having a place here. Find, we are not having find anywhere, so you have to identify the code for finding as a new word in the new code in the coding language. So we can find the new code, as we all know MBOSRN. MBOSRN we are already having, that means A option never be your answer. MD, we are not having MD, it is a new word. RBIB, RNIB is given into the question sequence. Coming on the next one, OSMD, MD is again a new word. DX, we are also having a DX, we are also having a OS, we are also having a ND. We are not having ND also, that means it may also be your answer for this code. So now check the code for people and place. For the place, you can go with that. You are having a common word in the first and the second last and the last one. So by observing that, you can find that in the last second and last, that is your RN. RN is used for your places. So places are indicated or represented by RN. Coming to the people, we are not having people any of other of the sentence, so we find that the party, yes, of course we are having a party in first and second last. So the code for the party, we are having second and second last, that is IB for the party. We are not requiring the party, so B option is against falsify. Out of third and fourth, we can go with the answer as we are having RN. In the C option, D is not having a RN, so we go with the C option. C option will be the right answer. As you can see that my is also having in first and last second, and first and last second you are having the common word, that is your DX is used for my. So the code generates for auto generated for the people, that is your OS is used for your people. OS is auto generated for you guys, that is for people. People word is coded by OS. People is coded by OS. So this is the format you have to see that RN is here. So the code is 3. C option is the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, party debate. Party debate. We are having a party here and the debate here. Okay, fine. I hope you all guys have done with the party and debate option. Debate we are having here, we are having debate here. So we find the debate code in the both this portion, that is BS is for the debate, and for the party we just identified that we are having party in the second and the second last, that is common IB or is the right answer. IB and BS we are having in a A option. A option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next portion, in this type of question, examiner provides you some conditions. You have to firstly focus on the conditions. First condition, it is given that if the first letter is a vowel and last letter is a consonant, then their codes are to be interchanged. So we go through with the conditions. First condition is that if we are having a first and the last, first is your vowel and last is your consonant, then the codes are to be interchanged. Second one, if both first and last are consonant, if both first and last are to be a consonant and the consonant both are coded as Z letter. Next it is, if both first and last are vowels, then are coded to be a last vowel. If first and last both are vowels and vowels, that means are coded as a last vowel. Last and final, if the last letter is opposite of first, then both are to be coded as for the last letter. If last letter is opposite for the first, last letter is opposite of first, then code will be for the last one. Like if we are having like AQZ, first is opposite to the Z, so we codify as a Z. So now have a look about the first question is on your screen. IKLBE, it is a vowel and vowel, so the code goes with the vowel. Last vowel we are having a E, and the code for E we are having a infinity. So just apply the process elimination process. I told you many of the times before that elimination, that means those options which are not B answers, so we eliminate those. We eliminate those. That means either C will be your answer or none of these is your answer. Just check it. K will be your like a K is your 6. Yes, of course, K is your 6. L will be your like this 5. L will be like this your 5. Z will be like this symbol, and B will be like 7. So 6, 5, the symbol, and 7, and then infinity. C option will be your answer. So in this question, C option is the right answer for this question. Coming on question number 5. Question number 5 is on your screen. Just focus on the condition. If first is consonant and last is a vowel, but it is not there any condition, check it. V is opposite to E, so we codify as in last element, that is a E. E is your infinity, so the D option will be the right answer for this question. Just check it. The code for K is 6 and the code for B will be your 7, and the code for I will be your 2, and the code for E will be your again infinity. So the right answer is infinity, 6, 7, 2, infinity and infinity. D option will be your right answer. That means in examination you just watch and answer. Just watch and answer. It takes only a 10 seconds in your exam. That means whenever you are having a 35 questions or you have to attempt in a 20 minutes, so you have series or the coding decoding portion or the conditional coding is the best option to get a higher score in a very short period of timing. Coming on the next question, question number 6 is on your screen. J and Y both are the consonant, and when we are having a both consonant, we just apply both as a Z and Z. So the first option will be the right answer. All are goes at wrong option. So this will be the right answer for this. Coming on the next one, that is the question number 7 is on your screen. O and G. What is the code for O and G? O is an vowel and G is your consonant, and there is a condition. First is a vowel and last is a consonant. Then their codes are to be interchanged. First is vowel and last is your, and here is your last is your consonant. Then the codes are to be interchanged. So we are having a G as a star, so firstly we have to apply a star, and O we are having as an 8, so we are going to apply 8 as here. P, the code for the P is a 9, and for the Y we are having a %. For the A we are having a @. For the L we are having a 5. 9 %, 5, 8 we are having in a option. So again we are having a right answer as an A option is the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, question number 8 is on your screen. Question number 8, BKJOT is a portion. You have to identify that the code both are the consonants, so again we require Z and Z in the front and last. But before, once check it like a K, the code is K for like this, and we are not having a K, therefore we go with the C option also, where we are also having a Z and Z. K is as an 6 option. K is required a 6 option. J we are requiring a 1, and O we requires as an 8. So 6, 1, 8, and Z we requires, and we are having in a C option. A will be the wrong answer for this question. Again, elimination process helps you a lot. Just try it. Elimination process in a few test series, you will get a very speedily answer. Coming on the next question, that is again a next concept. You can say that we are having a 1, 2, 3 and 4 sentences, and the codes of these sentences are we are having on the right side of these sentences. We have to answer by checking these codes from the sentences. Shopping, we are having, as you can say, shopping in a first and the last second sentence. So the code for shopping we are already available in the first and the last second sentence, as we are having a LA as a common word. So LA will be the right answer for this question. E option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, question number 10, dance. And we are having a dance here and the here. Second and the last sentence, the code for this will be the second and the last, but we are also having a combination of the party. We also have the combination of the party also here, so we are not confirmed for the code MO or the TA ta, as we are already have the food, as we are already have a new also. That means we must to identify the code for new we are having in a second and the last sentence also. So the food and the party, if we are say that party, we are having a first sentence also, that is KA, but we are not confirmed few and dance. Dance and few can be a mo or your ta. That means dance and new. We are not confirmed about these two codes, so we are going with the mo and ta. We find that in a E option will be the right answer for this question. I hope you guys are understanding all this question. If it is so just write me the answer of this question. Take it this as an homework question. Write me the answer of this question in a comment section. I again tell you that ADA 24/7 provides you तैयारी होगी पूरी अब घर बैठे ही @99. That means all products, either you are wanting for the live video sessions, live classes, online live classes, or the books or the e-books or the PDFs, whatever the product you want, all of the products you receive at under 99. Even when you visit on our store.ada247, just apply this code beat Corona, you will receive a max discount on that. So make it sure visit on our store.ada247 for availing max discount and boost up your preparing. I again say you 21 days. This is, take it like not in lockdown. Take it 21 days are the preparatory days for your examination. These are your exam preparation days. These are your exam preparation days, so make it sure do visit on our store and boost your preparation. I hope you like the questions. How much could you like the question? Just write me in a comment section and keep sharing the link of the video, and do subscribe the channel ADA 24/7 Bankers ADA. I hope you guys all like the session. Bye bye, take care.